What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at WYR's brand new products. They have their No Sweat Premium Hoodie and also their No Sweat Premium Joggers. I have these in the olive colorway and then also black. And then I have the hoodie in stone and also black as well. So of course I'll be trying these on, giving my rating at the end of the video, so stay tuned. But let's go ahead and get started. Alright, let's start with their hoodie. So first up, I just want to show you what the material looks like on the inside. This is their loop terry fabric. So if you look close, you should be able to see those little loops. Alright, this is going to be a size medium in the joggers and the hoodie. I am 6 feet tall, 160 pounds. As far as the thickness of the hoodie, it is relatively thin. I think this is more of like a springtime hoodie, not really one that you'd want to wear where it's like really low temperatures. I don't think it'll keep you that warm.
Okay, here we have the measurements both pre and post wash. It shrank about 5%, and in my opinion it made the fit that much better. I do want to show you guys the details a little bit up close, but go ahead and pause this if you'd like.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, where no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that. Wanna fuck me looking at the bill stack. Off the bubbly buddy, I've been stressed out. Let the smoke scream from my chest out. Niggas laced up, I really hate love from a stranger. Shit is fake stuff, only need it from you. Yeah, crash land in the palm of my hand. Bad little flex, wanna play by the coast. Carry the torch, I'm way up a slitty wherever we float. I came from the cold, used to rest on the floor. I stitch up my wounds, was born a soldier. Flipping the struggle, I'm taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. You know my word is bond, yeah. What we on now is wild, shit a trip, yeah. Life is lit, take a breath, that's it. Now it's wild, this shit a trip. Life is litty, shit a gift, bitch I'm him. I don't really lack nothing. Drip black fish, hit the splash button. Niggas landlocked, too bad for them. And they liable to talk, but it's mad rubbish. It don't mean nothing. From the sword, trying to make it to the top floor. But the penthouse, pin game, something mad yucks, bros. No sleeping, been a task rabbit, been a lab at it. The chief of the tribe I put on for my village. Used to be local.
Alright, next up we have the No Sweat Premium Joggers. And same thing as the hoodie. If we look on the inside there, we'll see the loop terry fabric. Okay, size medium. If you guys have watched my videos, you know that once in a while I will size down to a small for bottoms just because I prefer my pants to be like slim to skinny, especially for joggers. And with these, I would not recommend sizing down because as you'll see in a second when I try them on, they fit nice and snug. So definitely go true to size.
Okay, and here we have the measurements for the joggers, both pre and post wash. Around the same shrinkage as the hoodie, about 5%. So guys, pause this if you want to, but I'm going to go ahead and try on the joggers now.
Sharp with the focus, she catching emotion. Treat that holistic, I give it a physics. Fuck your opinion, just did a show, only spit raw material. I'm independent, bitch, I'm in the building. Look what we built it feel like no ceiling, we taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. You know my word is bond, yeah. What we on now is wild, shit a trip. Life is lit, take a breath, that's it. Now it's wild, this shit a trip. Life is litty, shit a gift, bitch I'm him.
Moving on to the ratings. First, we'll start with the hoodie. For fit, this is getting a 5.1 out of 6. I really like the way that it fits. It is nice and snug in the arms, which is actually pretty unique for a hoodie. A lot of times they're just a lot baggier. So that is awesome. One thing I might change is the length. I'd probably add maybe like a half an inch to an inch to it. but not really a big deal. It's not like too short where I can't wear it or anything like that. I just prefer a little bit longer. For comfort, this is getting a 3 out of 4. I really like how stretchy it is and how easily it moves with your body when you're wearing it. That makes it comfortable, but it's not one of those hoodies where it's extremely soft, like fleece material on the inside that just makes it feel like you're wearing a cloud, you know what I mean? So, it's comfortable for what it is. I don't think they were going for that like fleece cloud material. Maybe in the future, I would love that. Like those are my favorite types of hoodies, are the like, thick, extremely soft, warm. Those are my favorite. This is like more like a springtime hoodie, like I said in the beginning. So that gives them a total of 8.1 out of 10 on the hoodie. Okay, now for the joggers. For fit, these are getting a 5.2 out of 6. I think they fit great. They're nice and slim, even skinny, I might say. But a couple things I might change, just to tweak it a tiny little bit, would be I would add maybe a gusset on the inside here of like, where the boys are. Just because a lot of times joggers, they have a little bit more room up top. And I feel like these are kind of not like ridiculously snug or anything, but they're just like a little tiny bit more snug than a typical jogger. So that would be a tiny tweak I would do. And then maybe the leg hole openings, like they're not bad right now. They're pretty much the size of like a slim jean, right? If I were to have it exactly the way I wanted, I would probably close them up just a little bit more. Kind of like the Ace sweatpants, how they're just like pretty much the size of my ankle, right? So those are just some tiny tweaks that I would make. I'm sure not everyone agrees with that, but that's just my opinion. For comfort, these are getting a 3.4 out of 4. They feel really comfortable, and although they're the same material as the hoodie, they just feel more comfortable like as you're wearing them on your legs. I don't know why. They're like really stretchy and it's like soft on your skin. But like I said, that one change I might make is just opening up the gusset a little bit. That would make it even more comfortable. That gives the joggers a total of 8.6 out of 10. All right, let's talk about value. So these are both $58, both for the hoodie and for the joggers. And in my opinion, I think that's fair. To be honest, the material and like the inside, the way it feels, it almost reminds me of like a Cuts hoodie, but Cuts is like, double the price. It's like $118 for a hoodie like this. Now, with that being said, do I think it's as high of quality? Like the small details, things like the string here, Cuts is higher quality. But at the same time, this is literally half the price. And also, if you guys do want to try these out, you can use my code. It's ACRONC. I think it's like 15% off, so it brings it down into the 40s. So for what you get, I think it's absolutely fair. So a value of good is what they're going to get. That's going to wrap this one up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please go ahead and like this video. That really helps with the algorithm. So if you normally just watch and don't like, try and like. That'll really help me out. So thank you guys. I will see you next week with a new one.
She like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low when no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that.